Hi, this is Resilient Kent. Now, I always want to thank Lawrence Yap, right? Lawrence Yap is the one that bring me to the world of strategic HR. I used to think that HR job is about recording how many hours that the person work and calculate payroll, and that's all. I never exposed to anything bigger than that. But he is the one that instrumentally uh, uh, influenced me to think about more on the strategic aspect of HR, how important that HR role is in today's volatile world. So, for example, right, calculating staff turnover rate is become vital to the success of a company. Right, we can waste a lot of time to hire a new person, and or we waste a lot of time to hire a lot of this person, and we also waste a lot of time training the persons when the person left. Okay, and it is healthy if you have one employee left the company and where you have 20 staff, right? It is not healthy if there are 10 people all at one go, right? Then you can see that the rate actually change, right? It turns to that turnover release. So how do we get this right? Is that first you recorded the open balance, and then how many numbers of employee join, and then how many employee left the company on the same month at the end of the month, and then the closing balance, right, is 12 people. So 12 people compared to the open balance, right? So what is that? So you can see, take a look, right? The turnover formula is like this, right? So employee left divide by opening balance plus the closing balance and divide by 2. Okay. Now the 2, it doesn't mean that if an employee join is 2, right? It's not, right? Let's say you join 6 people, but 10 people left. Then the turnover is so high, right? The high shot is like uh, in catching fire. Now, how do we know it's catching fire? Because the turnover is 55% and 56. This kind of company, do you think they can grow? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. What I want to share with you is that how do we know that the company is on fire, right? Putting out fire. Okay, is that we just turn it into a KPI. So, say for example, just start, right? If we hire 2 and we take a 7, can you see that is now a lot more? You can see that, right? So over the months, right, we hired, then we left with 12 people. That's a lot, man. That's a lot. So we can see that it's all on the fire, right? So I'm 23, right? Let's say 12 left. So we can see that the turnover rate is so high. So this kind of company is in danger. So by the way, how do you turn this thing right to KPI? Is that you can highlight the cells you want to, and then you choose Home tab, and then you go for condition formatting. You click New Rules. After that, in the New Rules, you choose Format as this one, all cells based on their values, and then the fourth is that you choose an icon set, and in the red icon, you change it to 0.15. Suppose that 15% above the high turnover rate is 15% above, right? Then it should be red, and in between 10% to 15%, it should be in yellow, and finally, you can click OK. Yeah. So that is what a strategic HR do. I give credit to 老人香. I give credit to God. I give credit to Jesus. Yeah. So God bless you. Jesus love you.